is being able to see that there is light despite of all the darkness. During this time of global crisis, wherein the entire world is stuck by a pandemic, let us bring together all our hopes and aspirations in the form of a prayer, so that the predominant power of the Almighty fills up physical, mental, emotional and spiritual strength in each one of us. Let the mantra Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu prevail.
शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे कोई भूल हो ना।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हर तरफ जुल्म है, बेबसी है, सहमा सहमा सा हर आदमी है।
पाप का बोझ बढ़ता ही जाए, जाने कैसे ये धरती थमी है।
बोझ ममता का तू ये उठा ले, तेरी रचना का ये अंत होना।
हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
हमें क्या मिला है, हम है सोचे किया क्या है हर पल।
फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन।
अपनी करुणा का जल तो बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना।
हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
Hello everybody, dear parents and students of Canara High School CBSE. Greetings from all of us here. As COVID-19 pandemic marches around the world mercilessly, leading to uncertainty, we have not been able to meet you for quite a long time now. My dear students, being at home, what lessons has this COVID-19 pandemic taught us? It has taught us values like love, patience, sincerity, loyalty, spending family time, and the like. We need to be grateful to God for keeping us safe, and let's continue to pray for ourselves as well as for each other. We have been missing you as much as you do, and so we thought of being in touch with you. We have planned various online competitions, YouTube lessons, and a lot of interesting stuff. I hope you will enjoy it. Through these activities, you will enhance your knowledge. There will be also some writing exercises and art and craft, fun activities like aerobics and games also. I wish with a little help from your parents and siblings, you will try e-learning and get benefits from it. Your parents have been sending personal messages to my teachers to teach you through home learning. Thank you, parents, for your trust and support towards the school as always. We don't know when, but I'm sure we will meet soon. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and love you all.